In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create WhatsApp link, and then you will be able to share this link with someone, or you can put it in your social media to allow people simply click at that link to start messaging you. However, for some reason, there is no way to create or copy that link from your WhatsApp application, so we'll have to use a workaround. And all we have to do is just open up any app where we can enter a text using the keyboard. Let's say Notes app, Messages app, any other application. So if you just wanna send someone a link to your WhatsApp, you can simply open up another messenger. I'm gonna use Telegram now. Then you can head over to a conversation with your friend. I'm just gonna open up saved messages here. And then the key here is just tap at the text field to bring up the keyboard. And then we need to enter HTTPS in that way. Then hit right here at numbers, type in colon, // then go back to letters, type in WA.me, enter one more /, and after that, after the rest /, we need to enter our phone number in international format, I mean with the country code. So for Russia it is +7, and now I'm just gonna start with the 7 without any pluses here. I've entered my country code, and now I need to enter a phone number. Then we can send it to our friend, and after that we can just long press on it and tap at copy link to save it somewhere or to put it at your social media profile, and then any user will be able to follow that link to head over to a conversation with you. I have just moved to a conversation with myself. Here it says you because I've created a link to my WhatsApp profile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.